Never been here. Look at the view.
Should make it nice.
It is beautiful.
Yeah, when I was training to go be a BMW tech, this car was at a step up in Woodcliff Lake at their main headquarters.
Yeah.
They were servicing. I don't know if this is the exact car because I mean, thinking about it now, I doubt it because that car had like 9 miles.
Yeah.
For how old it was, having 9 miles on it, being that pristine. I wish.
Dude, it's so cool. It's so fucking cool. What do you think?